I'm Rubén Rodríguez Vilches, and in this reading video we will show how you, as a user of the electricity system, can participate in different electricity markets. By participating in them, you could save some money on your electricity bill or even get some income from the markets. So let's see how you can participate in them and if it's possible to do so in your country. There are two main ways in which consumers can participate in electricity markets. By using electricity tariffs, depending on the type of tariff, they can choose to have a fixed price or a market-based price. This is known as implicit demand flexibility. And the other way to participate is by using flexible electrical appliances in our homes and businesses. This is known as explicit demand flexibility. First, let's start with the electricity tariffs. This is the way we all participate in the electricity market. We contract electricity tariffs from an energy supplier to provide electricity to our homes and businesses. From these energy suppliers, there are available different types of tariffs that consumers can choose from, according to the regulations in their country. First of all, there are fixed price tariffs. These have a fixed price that does not change at any time. Then, there are flat rate tariffs, where the consumer pays the same every billing period. This is the most simple tariff, but is not the most cost-effective. Another type of tariff is time of use. This tariff charges different prices based on the time of the day, with peak hours being the more expensive. Lastly, there are real-time pricing. This type of tariff is based on the price cleared in the different electricity markets. This means that consumers pay the same as generation received in electricity markets, plus other components like access tariff, taxes, among others. Tariffs are an implicit method of participating in electricity markets, as consumers are a passive element of the market. They only have price signals issued by the supplier to respond if they want, without making any commitment to the supplier and being able to save some money by consuming enough peak hours. From the tariffs described in this slide, only time of use and real-time pricing could be considered as a resource of implicit flexibility. On the other side, we have the participation in electricity markets by using electric appliances. First of all, it is necessary to have flexible appliances. These are electrical devices with high energy consumption that can adjust their demand in a short period of time. Examples include water heaters, air conditioners, heat pumps, or electric vehicles charging station in a household, and any flexible process or high-consuming device in an industrial setting. With these flexible appliances, it is possible to participate directly in the electricity markets. But in order to increase our chances of being cleared in the market, one option is to aggregate the flexible consumption of multiple consumers. An aggregator brings together the flexible demand for consumers, controls the consumption of flexible appliances, and sells this flexibility into various markets. Currently, an aggregator can be an energy retailer or a third-party company known as independent aggregator. In this type of participation, consumers have an active role in the market. They are using the explicit demand flexibility from their homes and businesses. Consumers are part of the market, influencing the market price and helping to balance the system. As a reward, they generate savings on their electricity bill or even receive income for having provided these services. Having explained how consumers can participate in electricity markets, let's take a brief look at the most important markets. These are the day-ahead and intraday markets, in which most of the energy we consume is traded on the day before or in the same day of delivery. Balancing and congestion management services, which are in charge of maintaining optimal operation regarding technical conditions of the network and balancing between generation and demand. And lastly, local flexibility markets, an innovative market in which distribution system operators can request flexibility services from local providers in order to solve problems in their network or even trade energy between neighbors. Next, we will review how it is possible to participate in the different electricity market in the demo countries in the ReDREAM project. These are Spain, Italy, Croatia, and the United Kingdom. Regarding the day-ahead and intraday markets, direct participation in these markets is currently limited to large consumers. The rest of the consumers can only do so through tariffs from electricity suppliers. About the type of the tariffs offered in the ReDREAM countries, fixed price and time of use tariffs are available in all countries. Real-time pricing and flat rate tariffs are available in Spain, Italy, and the United Kingdom. This means that Croatia has not such flexibility in electricity tariffs. Participation in balancing markets is only possible in Spain and the United Kingdom. In the case of Spain, only large consumers can participate in balancing markets in an aggregated way. Aggregation of consumers is only possible through energy retailers. On the other side is the UK, where both large and small consumers can participate in the balancing market aggregated under the figure of the independent aggregator, known as Virtual Lead Party in the UK. As for Italy, a pilot project called UBAM is currently underway, in which large consumers can aggregate their demand and participate in the balancing markets. Currently, the participation of small and large consumers is not clearly feasible in Croatia, mainly due to technical barriers in this country. Regarding constraint management, system operators either procure directly these services with the providers, or there is a market where only large generators can participate. Therefore, these services are, for the moment, closed to consumers. Lastly, there are the local flexibility markets. The only country within ReDREAM with open local flexibility markets is the UK, with flexible power and Pico-Flex platforms. In these markets, distribution network operators ask for flexibility in different areas of the UK. Flexibility providers within the required zone respond to this flexibility by offering their resources. In Spain, there is a currently proposal for the creation of a local flexibility market, known as ESCI. The details of this market are not yet fully described, but it is known that the DCOs will be able to make flexibility requests months in advance, or even on the same day required. It is also considered the possibility of having a separate energy market for an area where prosumers can exchange energy between them. For Croatia and Italy, there is no known intention at this stage to create such a local flexibility market. We hope that with this video you have learned how to take part in electricity markets and known if it is possible to participate in your country. Thank you.